So Bandit has a humpback.
Well, now it's like a side humpback.
So Mama is sleeping over.
Mm-hmm.
Who's making her bed? Who's making her princess bed?
Bandit. But what if I want to lay down? Huh?
Did you hear him?
Yeah, you huffed.
Huffed and then he turned around.
No.
What would happen if you stopped?
He's like, what? You don't love me? I'm gonna...
I'm gonna ruin your bed.
I just fixed that. Hey.
So Mama has to do something. You see this camera? I can only see my dining room from that. I cannot see what they are doing in the kitchen. So I'm going to change this, put it over here so I can look at both places all at once. Then I have pretty much every room in this apartment covered with cameras. So if I know who's making a mess, how they're doing it, I can figure out a way to fix the problem. You feel me? Yeah, so that's what we're going to do right now. And then, yeah, we'll see what's next. So we just went on our last walk of the day. Yep. And we drank all our water from our bowl and spilled all of our food out of the bowl. That's a big yawn, baby. Oh, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Yeah. Hey. Good catch, baby. Oh. Ready? Get. Oh. Oh, now they're going to fight over who gets to bring it to me. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's it? Where's the ball? Where is it? Where's the ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Give me your ball. Well, that was short-lived. Once again, can I make this video? Please? Once again, Kayla is sleeping over for the third night in a row. Huh, it's been fun having Mama sleep over, huh? But yeah, this is her princess bed. And Bandit here keeps on helping make it, huh, baby? You're going to make Mama's bed? You're going to make Mama's bed? And then there's Menace. Huh. Well, Mama has a big day tomorrow because I'm going to go down and see Afton this time instead of her coming up here. I'm going down there to Provo. So it's about our drive. And we about to, you know, get our party on. She wants to show me this awesome like place that she found that's abandoned. And maybe we'll get some ghosting done there. So let's see how it goes. Hello friends! I found someone.
Up?
Also, merch. If you want some,
Get some.
it'll be at Honeybee10 merch
What she said.
on Etsy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you ready for some ghosties?
Let's go.
Yeah, this
Like-
place is crazy looking.
It's nuts. I've been
All right.
itching to go for so dang long.
Okay, well let's go then.
Let's go.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Can I squeeze through?
You in? You good?
I'm in.
Is there any traps on
And guys, the best way to support me and my channel is to like and subscribe, and to also go down and check out the merch because we have some good items and some other items that are not yet in right now, but they are coming soon. So please go check it out and enjoy the rest of the video. So yeah, ghosting at the apartment complex did not work out. So
Unfortunately, we have to wait till the owner gets back in contact with us.
yes, because we want to do this legally.
Yeah.
We don't want to get in trouble
No,
because that's the way we are.
we're safety first, and the rest follows.
Right. And so we're just going around Provo, just looking at random stuff, and right now we're at Bridal Falls.
I don't know why I said that's interesting. Because I could.
Cause you can.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's go have fun.
Let's go.
Guys, do not ask me for directions.
Me neither. I may have lived here for like 4 years, but I still don't know where I'm going half the time.
We went the other way where the bridge is obviously over here.
Yeah.
So
What?
yeah, do not ask me for directions. I mean, you can, but we will just get lost.
Yeah.
I found it.
You did it.
Found the bridge. if you go tubing down this?
Dude, tubing would be insanity.
Make a whole YouTube video of just us tubing down here.
Absolutely.
Bye.
Bye.
Until next time.
Bye.
Until we meet again.
Bye.
Bye.
We're so random.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
I just crushed Menace's heart.
Little baby heart, like a grape.
Like a grape. Like a small little grape. Pose, pose, do a pose. Do a pose, Lazy. Do a pose. Do a pose. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Do a kissy.
Do a kissy face.
Yeah, blow kiss. Nice.
All those signs are over here. Can you have them in the park?
Target has been fun.
It's been something.
It's been something. Guys, these guys are so mean to me. They're making fun of me.
The weather, though. How's that weather?
You know what?
Oh, the weather. I love the weather. Oh, your weather.
Mm.
Nope. 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 Scratch that.
The bird got nice, Kayla.
What?
She was using her teeth.
Oh, shut it off. Big yawn. Oh, he coming. The chunk is coming.
Hi, Chunker. He always comes to me. It's so cute. We're besties. Huh, babe? We're besties. Oh, thank you for the kisses. Thank you. Thank you. This is Olafi. You saw him in my,
Mr. Olafin.
yeah, Mr. Olafin is another nickname, but you saw him in my makeover video.
Blue dress, cross your legs. Be a lady.
The boy is in my one.
There you go. So pretty.
Your shoes are gonna,
I'm gonna get cat licked. Well, you're welcome. Jump, jump.
jump. Up, up. Up, up.
Think about it.
There we go. Oh my goodness gracious, you're doing stinky bee.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Always getting the.
We're laughing. We're laughing. We're laughing. No.
Done with that.
I scared him. I'm sorry, did I stop? Do you want to show us your nice ride?
That's my nice ride.
This is her nice ride. It's red and it's small.
It's red and it's small.
It needs a name still.
What should we name it? Comment down in the comments.
Yeah, there you go. Help us name the scooter.
What should we name this red scooter?
Take a picture of us on it.
Yeah, so they're going to ride on there because Kayla hasn't gotten to ride it yet. I'm going to take my car.